I'm a believer, and I really felt that God was with me. I really felt that my God was with me. Sorry, I moved to tears about it because honestly, I was scared. This is McCoy, my fellow compatriot. He goes everywhere with me. I was on board ship on a lovely cruise, Oceana Insignia, beautiful ship, with a friend of mine, Sue. And I'd gone up to the Horizon Bar in the evening, only on mocktails. And I decided that before I went to bed, I wanted to just have a few steps on the dance floor. And I said to the people that I was sitting with, who were part of the solo group, I'm just going to have a little dance. And I saw the entertainment people, Taylor and her partner, Matthew, and they were sort of waving to me and so on. And suddenly I was turning around, just stepping side to side, and wallop. I just fell on the dance floor. Nothing tripped me, nothing. Everybody saw what had happened. And I just went wallop onto my side. As I found, I had actually fallen on the floor and broken my hip. I then found out, I spoke to the insurance company, spoke to me and asked me, was I happy with what I was doing? And I was told emphatically that no, they weren't happy. They wanted me to go to Cayman Island.
Even though you have taken a travel insurance or some form of insurance, it's not easy to find a place where they can go get it fixed and go back home without any worries. And at Cayman Islands, we have all the facilities at Health City where we can fix any type of fractures, any type of injuries. And the patients who are supposed to go back home in an air ambulance will be able to fly commercial after the procedure.
Well, the pilot flew me straight here to the hospital or to the land. And then they drove me in an ambulance through the night to here, where I was very nicely met and welcomed. And I felt quite sort of at ease with all the staff immediately. And they were very friendly, very kind, very caring. They realised that I was on my own and that I hadn't got anybody that was sort of on the island. And they were absolutely marvellous.
So in Geraldine's case, we did a total hip replacement for her. Hip replacement usually lasts for 2 decades, sometimes up to 3 decades, depending on how they use it. And for Geraldine, I expect this to last for her life.
I would really recommend this hospital, most definitely. I'm so glad my insurance company said to me, you've got to fly to Cayman, to Grand Cayman. I was reluctant for a minute or two, but when I really thought about it, I thought they know a lot better about it than I did. You know how it is when you're in a situation that you're not expected to be in? Suddenly, I was in 1 minute I was up, next I was down. But this hospital and the care, consideration and respect that they have given me has been fantastic. Every single one of you has been so very, very kind to me. I will go home with treasured memories. Very, very treasured memories. And you've all been fantastic.